Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate text in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and we're going to practice how we can translate from English language to Indonesian language and Japanese. Alright guys, the first thing we have to do is inputting the formula. So I'm going to input the formula right here. Then we can type the formula on this column. So we have to type equal, then Google Translate, and make sure that you pay attention to this formula. Okay, after Google Translate, we have to select the text, and the text is in B3 cell, so I'm clicking on the B3 cell. And after that, we have to put the source language. So the source language is English, so we have to type EN for English, then IN for Indonesian. And don't forget to put double quotes to your formula. Okay, after that, we just need to click on this check mark button. Then wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the Indonesian translation, and we just need to do autofill. So we can select the column like this and tap and hold on the column, then just click on autofill. Okay, and for the Japanese language, we have to do the same step. Just enter the formula right here, Google Translate, then the source language, text, click on B3 cell. Then after that, we have to put EM, then JA for Japanese. Okay, and after that, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay, and wait guys. Alright, and this is the Japanese translation, and we can do autofill as well. So just select the column, tap and hold on the column, then click on autofill. Alright, and now it's done. Alright guys, and that's how we can translate text in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.